There is a really dense library of tools and functions available to you here, all to do with your site's backend and how it functions as a living, breathing website. For now, I want to dive into this tab here called Content. This would be a great place to start when you first begin working on your site, especially for those of you with clients. More likely than not, when you're beginning your site build, you already have some preliminary content on a drive somewhere that you're going to use on your site, and sometimes you may even have a pre-existing site that perhaps you're rebuilding for a client. Let's begin here with this first prompt called Import Content. If your client has a pre-existing site, begin here. You can type in any URL, and the builder here will automatically acquire images, business information, contact information, and a myriad of settings from the pre-existing site that it will then implement into your new site automatically. Not all content is guaranteed to import, but I think you'll be surprised how intuitive it is and how much time it can save you at the end of the day. Closing out here, let's click into Collect from Client. Much like our preview links, this window generates a URL that you can supply to your clients, allowing them to upload files to you directly, which will then be automatically accessible to you here in the builder's image and content libraries. So no need to have your clients send you a million emails with image attachments and zip files. They can upload it all directly to you, saving you a ton of time in the end. It's pretty awesome. Now, once we've done these things, how do we access our content? Well, let's start here with Manage Images. This is where all of the images that you've uploaded for the site will appear. Now, if you're beginning with one of our templates, you're initially just going to see all the stock imagery that's been incorporated into the template like we do here. But once you upload your own files, they're going to be visible here on the top first. You can search for images here in our very dense stock image library like I described in previous videos. You can toggle on Manage Images if you want to do a little in-house maintenance and add folders. Definitely recommended if you've got a deep batch of images to use throughout. As you've seen before, this library is accessible to you in many other places throughout the builder, including the row fill settings and the gallery widgets, but this is the main hub for it right here in the Content tab of our toolbar, should you need it. Below Manage Images is Manage Files. Now, this is where things other than images will be stored, and a big example here is audio files. If you're using any of our audio widgets that require a file to be self-hosted, you can upload it here and use it in any widget you want. And finally, beneath all of this is a collection of business information that you can import here. If you didn't import from an old site and you need to configure all of this for the new one, it's best to set it up all here first. That way, whenever you add images to the site that reference contact information, you can easily display the correct information with a snap without needing to type it over and over again. You can set things like phone numbers, email addresses, social media links, mission statements, logos, and all kinds of stuff, all here at your disposal to be consistent and save you time.